This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the Poinsettia VW box card. I have put together a couple, so there's 3 flowers. I've put together 2 of them because it's not necessary to watch the whole process of all of them. I did ink the edges of all of the poinsettia leaves, just like I'm doing on this one. I'm using a brown. I've made obviously my VW bug red, and so I decided to make my flowers white. And I just bent these leaves by using my nail right at the tip and just kind of pinching these leaves to add a little more dimension. Okay. So we do have these little branches and you're just going to place these. I'm going to put mine on first. I didn't want you to have to put together little tiny red balls. So I did these branches this way. I hope they're not too difficult. You can not even turn the stems brown if you want to leave that piece off. You can just have them be red. So there's that. And we're going to put this right in place, right here. There is no glue behind those sprigs. And because I've bent my leaves, I'm just putting glue on that folded part and not the whole leaf. Okay, just like that. And then to get the flower together, so on this one here with the big green piece on it, this one is the back, okay? And there's only one flower. Even though you have those other 2 spaces, those are the flowers that are in the front. So this flower for the back goes in the center. And I'm just putting a dab of glue right in the center of the flower, pressing down. And we're going to do the same thing for its center. Okay, so you're going to build all 3 flowers the same way, just like that. So this one is the insert. You've got, let me take this off. I have already put my 2 stems on this one, but so these with the longer and then the shorter side, this is your front and your back. The one with the flowers is the front. And you just want to really line this up well so that your card will stand up straight. And test it. We're in a good spot. And then to get the rounded edges, you have this piece. Okay, I am going to put this on before I put my flowers on because I want my flowers to be onto the front of the card. Okay, so I'm just gonna putting glue on this piece so that I don't get it over the edge. I don't want to glue my sides down. There we go. Okay. So now this is the front. You want to make sure that you're not getting glue here on these sides at all, okay? Because it'll glue your card open. And now let's just lay these pieces. These two pieces are for the back. This is for your sentiment. Then you've got your tires. You just really want to make sure that you get everything lined up right to the bottom edge there because you don't want your card being wobbly when it stands up. And then we're going to put on the bumper. And you'll be able to see right where the bumper goes and just put it right up against your tires there. Okay. You've got a windshield, then you've got, I kind of want to place everything. I want to see where I want my pieces to go. You got your rear view mirror. There's only one place it can go, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Okay. So once you like the placement of these pieces of your car, you can start to glue them down. And I'm just lining up my headlights like with these two pieces here on the bumper. I inked the other hood piece here. These two pieces, I inked those with black to help them stand out. You just want to find the look that you like and then go ahead and press everything down. Okay. So that's that part. This part here, these leaves are for, these go on the bumper. I thought this was symmetrical, but let me test it. It may not be. I think it is. It's just because it's split in the center. Okay. I will probably want to put this piece on with some foam tape. But I'm going to need to look at it to make sure. Okay. And then these flowers are going to go right in place like that. I'm going to put the glue there on the center and on these places here that are flat, because I don't want to lose all of the dimension that I've made by gluing it down too much. Now you'll know which way these two pieces go. The greens point down, and then you'll find that you'll get them to line right up to where they're supposed to be. Okay, so there is the front, and I think I'm going to pop this one with some foam tape. There we are. Then we're going to stand this up. We're going to bring our piece in. We're going to lay it there across the side and glue that down. I picked up the glue off the table. Okay, so put glue on the tab. Stand your card up. You're going to lay it down right flat against the back. Glue it into place. Again, we're going to put glue on the tab. Now my tab here is on the table, so I'm just going to fold this over to grab this one, just like this. Usually I have the tab over here. Now I'm just going to close up the card. There we are. Fold it back and forth. And then there we have our Poinsettia VW bug. Thank you for joining me.